Hello and welcome to my kitchen. How about paneer makhani in velvety smooth gravy? You can actually make it with regular ingredients yourself. Don't believe me? Keep watching. Have you subscribed to my channel already? The dry spices: Jeera, Cumin powder, Dhaniya, Coriander powder, Haldi, Turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and Garam masala. Whole spices: Jeera or cumin seeds and Garam masala. So we have here green cardamom, cloves, black cardamom, cinnamon stick and peppercorns. Chop up a few cloves of garlic and a piece of ginger, a green chili. I've de-seeded it. I have some kasuri methi here and a few cashew nuts. We'll also need chopped tomatoes and chopped onions for the gravy. To begin with, I'll just fry the cashews lightly. Time to get them out. Add in the whole spices to temper the oil. Add in the sliced onions. Fry the onions till they are translucent. Add in the tomatoes. Add in the ginger, garlic and the green chilies. Some salt. And cook till the tomatoes become soft and mushy. So I ended up covering it and cooking it for about 2 minutes on low heat. Time to check. Yes, that's how I want it at this stage. The tomatoes have become soft and the skin is peeling off. Now for the dry spices. Cook the spices briefly. Add in some tomato paste. You could use tomato ketchup instead. This will help to enhance the color. Add in a bit of water. Mix it up. Let's bring that to a boil. Add in some kasuri methi, dried fenugreek. Cook this on medium heat for a minute. This gravy is usually mildly sweet and I'm going to use some honey. For the sweetness. Turn off the heat and let it cool down completely. You'll also need about 200 to 250 grams of paneer. Cut the block into smaller pieces. I'm cutting them into cubes. Cut them in any shape that you really like. That's done. When the onion tomato masala cools down, put it into a mixie jar and grind it to a smooth paste. See, I forgot the cashew nuts. So I'll just add them in and grind again. Use a strainer and pass the masala through it. This will ensure that the gravy is velvety smooth like butter. It's called makhani after all. So this is what we are left with and this is what we will discard. The rest of it goes into the gravy. I'm I'm using the same pan the second time around. A bit of oil in it. Add some butter to it. Keep the heat on low. Add in some Kashmiri red chili powder, used for its color. And add in the masala paste that we had prepared earlier. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Just wash the bowl with some water and add it in. Mix it well and we'll bring that to a boil. That has come to a boil. The gravy looks nice and smooth. Just sprinkle some garam masala and some kasuri methi. Mix it up. Check the seasoning at this stage and adjust accordingly. You could actually prepare the sauce till this stage and store it to make the paneer makhani right before you serve it. That's actually a great idea for parties. Let's add in the paneer. You want to do this right before you serve. Be gentle now. We'll cook it for 1.5 to 2 minutes on medium heat so that the paneer pieces soak up all the flavor. Some fresh cream to finish off. You could use milk in its place. That turns out well. Mix it thoroughly. Turn off the heat. Some fresh cream for the garnish. I've just thinned it down with a little milk. Drizzle some of the cream on top. Some kasuri methi and chopped coriander for the garnish. This mildly sweet velvety paneer makhani gravy can be very addictive. All you need is hot naan or chapati to dig in.